Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I have a lingonberry. This is a lingonberry. 225 gram lingonberry. This bottom inside all. This have water, half deciliter water. Half deciliter water put inside all. Put in oven. Lingonberry jam. Making lingonberry jam. First you put in 3, temperature full. After you do slowly when they have in mixing very well inside. This is ready now.
Yes.
Now I put in my natural fridge. Let's have natural fridge without electricity. This my jam is ready now. I put in little jar. This my natural fridge come ice and out.